Welcome to our guide on using social media for business success. In today's digital age, having a strong social media presence is crucial for reaching new customers and growing your brand. The first step to leveraging social media effectively is identifying your target audience. Understand their interests, behaviors, and which platforms they prefer. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Choose the ones that align with your business goals and where your target audience is most active. Content is king. Focus on creating engaging and relevant posts that resonate with your audience. Think about what they want to see and share. To boost visibility, consider investing in social media advertising. It helps you reach a broader audience and delivers targeted messages. Your brand identity is essential. Maintain consistent messaging and visuals across platforms to reinforce recognition and trust. Don't just post and disappear. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. This builds community and loyalty. Use analytics tools to gauge your social media performance. Look for what's working and where you can improve. Social media isn't static. Adapt and evolve your strategy based on audience feedback and analytics insights to stay relevant. In conclusion, a well-executed social media strategy not only boosts your visibility, but also fosters long-term relationships with your audience, leading to sustained business success.